Good morning. It's 2:40 a.m. It's March 26. May flight kami ng 5:20 papuntang Dumaguete. So, hinihintay lang namin si Gab tsaka si Kuya kasi sasabay kami. So, we're going to the airport together. This is my favorite travel top. I don't know if you can tell sa ibang travel vlogs ko. Pero it's from Uniqlo Kids. It's padded. It's so comfy. Checked in. Isa pa. Natawag kami sa ano kanina. Last call. Welcome to Dumaguete. Mag-flight kami papunta sa kainan. Mas maaga pa, 11 pa yung binook namin Ocean Jet.
Kalahati yung presyo. May pagkas ka lang na 500.
Guys, sa Flying Fish Palmitas. Tapa and tea.
Off ito siya diba? Double take. Para at ko sakali. We've been requesting the actual data from SAT for testing.
Ang tangkad ng Try ko. Bye, fans! Ang tangkad ng tricycle. So, tangkad sa kotse. Actually, katulog ako. Naman hindi pa ako. Kasi yung kalahati ng katawan ko. Ay, yung pickleball. Ay. Walking. Import. Dito ka at nalaan pag yun, wala kang pang wala ka pang ticket. We're here sa port. So, dumating kami 10:30. Yung binook naming ticket for Ocean Jet ay 11. So, i-check-in mo yung bag. So, yun yung bag namin. 250 ata yun. Hindi ko lang ito dito. So we're here in Sikihor. Ito yung port. View. Yan, kinuha na namin yung bag. Diyan daw siya, sa likod.
Depende ninyo kung kasya mo.
So small.
Wala pa space.
Sige, go.
Men, takas mo isang electric.
Ayoko.
Sige na.
Oo, ayan na dyan.
Go, go. Kita mo ito. So this is our place, Mezzi. Gets us. Ay! Hello! Yan. Here tayo. It's cute. Tsaka tabing daan siya. Feed pics. Not for free. Hello. 6:47 pala. I just woke up. Hindi kayo natulog? We're gonna go out for dinner. Sabi, bulo ng buka. Saan ang tulog ko to? Bawin-bawi. Have Fazio. Sana.
Sakit na.
Pwede mo trabaho? Dito ka. Dito. Hindi ka nakikita dun sa ano, oh. Ayun, oh. Okay. Ayun, oh. Sabi niya may pusa kung dalawa. Ano sa'yo?
Naki Gore.
Nasi goreng. Sisig. Walang atay sisig. And
shrimp pasta. We're getting
Oh, man.
ice cream.
That's the thing, man. It's not really too much fun you can have with
And it's this one. So, dun tayo galing kanina sa Monkey Business. I got coconut ice cream. 2 scoops for 130. Cappuccino yung kay Mark. Ano masarap yung cappuccino mo? Bibili kami ng toiletries. Ito. They have everything. So, bibili kami conditioner, toothbrush, at sabon. May chia seeds pa sila dito. Ay, cute oh! Cute spaghetti. They have everything. May flax seeds pa. May petrol. Wala kami gas. The most expensive place in the island. Actually, anywhere ngayon. Yay! We're here at Soluna. Sikihor Boutique Resort. Oh, it's cute. Lahat sila may generator. Prepared sila lahat. So we're having drinks with everyone. May mango shake. Sasad daw yung asukal. We got cherry something. Then watermelon cheese. We're back sa Airbnb. It's 10 p.m. Well, sa side namin, wala namang ganap. This is the way. Good morning. On the way to yoga. 7:30. I just finished yoga. It was so good. It's a nice session. It's a donation-based fee. So, bahala ka na. Anyway, it's nice. Might go back. Actually, most likely, I will. But I wanna try other spots din. Kasi yung iba sabi niya, malayo daw sa mountains. That one I wanna try kasi may sound bath. And I haven't tried a sound bath. This is Tahanan. I'm walking over there. Sa tapat siya ng Monkey Business. This is my coffee. Tuna
sandwich. Ay, kuya ang guide. Sabi ko kay Marco. We're here sa Paliton Beach. May bayad na 20 pesos. Yun yung mga motor. For environmental fee.
Nagpagro kung magpagka magkata-insert kabalo, magiging sila. Ay, kayo kami naman.
So pretty. Paliton. Ay, may buko. May buko. Wow. So, this is Paliton Beach. It's pretty. Mga kainan. Yung souvenir. Linis din ng tubig. Ayan. They have chairs and tables for rent. Lunch. Leftover pasta. With steers. Hello, it's 3:30. I'm at Paliton Beach. Natid ako ni Marv. And I'm alone here. Pero sobrang daming tao. And then 95% of them, I think, are white people. Like, hindi malang kami ata dito ng Pinoy na nagsiswimming. Of course, may mga Pinoy doon sa mga snack bars and rentals. Pero sobrang daming foreigner. Parang, ang weird pala ng feeling na mas marami sila in your own country. Parang feeling mo ikaw yung foreigner. Ayun, just my thoughts. Anyway, this is the setup. I have my towel, water bottle. Oh! Ayun. So, this is the view. Ayan guys, ang daming tao na ng hapon. I mean, kanina hindi ganun karami. Ngayon, dami na. Nakalimutan ko yung goggles ko. Yung mga nagsisnorkeling. They say maganda nga daw. So, forgot that. Try again tomorrow though. The sand is so nice. Pino siya guys. I drew this while I'm here at Paliton. It's 4:10. 4:10. 4:10 p.m. Another sketch. This view is so cute. Ta-da! The sand looks like powdered milk. Well, guess I'm walking back kasi walang signal at may meeting na yung dalawa. Kanina ko pa sila tinetext pero hindi nag-go through. So, I'm just gonna walk until hanggang saan man. Baka matapos silang maaga at sunduin nila ako. But it's okay. The road's nice. Diba? Walk lang. And also, kung paalis na ako, ayan, dumarating na yung mga Pinoy sa Paliton. Maybe because sunset kasi dyan. And then yung mga foreigner, nababawasan sila kanina bago ako umalis. So, ako, I wanna watch the sunset, pero I think Monday or Sunday na lang namin gagawin. So look, this looks like yung mga spots sa the ruins sa Bantayan. See? I made it to the highway. Hindi ko alam kung gaano pa kalayo from here to the Airbnb. Pero it shouldn't be that far. Actually, I might have to try na magmotor ulit kasi in cases like this, dapat marunong ako. So, hindi ako mag-bed rot at mag-cellphone maghapon. Because other people are busy. So, I might have to try that again. Para hindi sayang yung mga araw ko. Guys, I'm here. O, diba? Nakarating ako. Love that for me. My POV.
Just whatever spending from your end, just let us know.
Yeah, that's
Going forward.
that's the big one. All the other ones.
Anything that you want to give me, please let
Finally here. My time, 9 p.m. Best. Beef tapa, fish and chips, and ano to burger mo? Burger na. Oh, Wagyu burger. The boys. Hello, boys! Walking 11:30. Ano ba naman tong ano to? Yun! Pupunta kami ng saan ba yun? JJ's.
Nandito na tayo. 700 meters.
Uy, malayo yun! Mas malapit kung babalik tayo. Sabi niya, malapit lang yun, dyan lang yun. 700 meters. 700!
700 nga.
Sabi mo 7 meters. Oh.
Map lang yun.
Ayun, kita niyo ba yung pila ng parking ng motor? We're gonna go, oy, si Marv. We're gonna go here sa JJ's. Ang dami pa, oh. It's almost 12 a.m. Here.